This channel earned approximately $8,395 this month by regularly sharing Stickman animation videos. No camera, no face, just AI. In this video, I'm showing you how to produce these videos with the help of AI without knowing how to edit animation videos. And at the same time, I'm giving you the master prompt and Google Gemini for free. But first, let's go to Gemini. I prepared this gem specifically for you with this master prompt for this content. Inside this gem, the visual and logical details of the content type we will produce were carefully crafted together as a question and answer workflow. At this stage, all you need to do is go to the gem, type Start to launch the bot, then clarify your video topic based on the questions Gemini asks you and obtain your prompts. To access this high-quality prompt and gem for free, you can click on the link in the video's description, join our Telegram group, and access all the prompts from the Master Prompts room. After determining our video topic and receiving our prompts from Gemini, we copy our first image prompt and go to the OpenArt website to start production. After entering the OpenArt website, we click on the Create Image tool from the Production Tools in the left menu, and in the panel that opens, we select Nano Banana 2 as the model and paste our first image prompt that we just copied into the image prompt section right below. Finally, we set the output settings of the image to 9:16 vertical format, select 1K resolution, and click the Generate button to create our first scene. The created scene will look like this. We check it and download it to our computer. After the image production stage is complete, to produce our video, we select the Frame to Video option in the side menu again, then go back to Gemini and copy our first video creation prompt we produced and return to the OpenArt website. In the panel that is open, we first select Kling 3.0 as the video production model at the top, then drag and drop our first image scene into the Start Frame section right below it, and paste the video production prompt we copied from Gemini into the video production prompt section in the middle of the panel. Finally, we check that the video's audio settings are on, set the video duration to 7 seconds from the output settings, set the video resolution to 720p, and click the Generate button at the bottom to send our video into production. You can make changes to the prompt based on your requests and needs, or choose different production models and resolution options based on your budget throughout the production process. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.